In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Webull notifications. If you've been getting constant pings from alerts you no longer need, the quickest way to quiet things down is to remove those alerts right inside the app. We'll focus on finding your alert list and deleting the specific ones that are creating noise, while keeping any you still find useful. Start by opening the Webull app and heading to the section where all your alerts live. This is typically labeled My Alerts. You'll often find it by tapping the bell icon, which may appear along the bottom bar or at the top of the screen, depending on your layout and app version. If you don't see the bell right away, open the main menu and look for an item called Alerts or My Alerts. The idea is the same. You want the screen that shows all the alerts you've created, such as price targets, percentage moves, volume spikes, or news triggers tied to individual tickers. Once you're in My Alerts, take a moment to scan through the list. Each entry represents a rule you set in the past, like notifying you when a stock crosses a certain price. These are the exact notifications you're trying to stop. Deleting an alert removes the rule, which means the app won't send you a notification the next time that condition is met. To delete an alert you no longer want, tap on that alert to open its details. Look for a delete option, often shown as a trash can icon or a delete button. Tap it and confirm if you're asked. That's it. The alert is gone, and those specific notifications will stop. In some layouts, you may see a delete option right from the list view without opening the alert, but the result is the same. Repeat this for each alert you don't want to hear from anymore. It's normal to have several old alerts stacked up from past trades or watchlist experiments, so take a minute to clear out anything that's no longer relevant. Remember, you're only removing the notifications tied to those alerts. Your watchlists, holdings, and orders remain untouched. If you still want to be notified about truly important moves, leave a few key alerts in place and delete the rest. And if you ever remove something by mistake, you can recreate an alert later with the same ticker and condition. To recap, open My Alerts, usually via the bell icon or through the menu, and delete the individual alerts you no longer need. With a quick cleanup, your Webull notifications will become focused and helpful again, instead of overwhelming.